Okay, so today we have Buick. Let's go. These headlights are like exactly the same as Vauxhall's. That's exactly a Vauxhall. There would have been more options. Let's go with this one. Okay. I like how it's got this little car at the bottom here. Why are we on options already? Let's start at the beginning, come on. Here we go. Exterior. Here we go. Right. Summit White. Sapphire Metallic. Ebony Twilight Metallic. Cinnabar Metallic. Moonstone Grey Metallic. White Frost Tree Coat. I like Sapphire Metallic. Yeah, next wheels. I like the look of the black ones. So I can't have Sapphire Metallic. I want Sapphire Metallic with the black wheels. How about the Twilight? Okay, can I have the red one? But I can't have this one. That sucks. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Chosen my wheels. Interior. Looks comfy. Not beige. Only one, okay. Packages. Alright, this is where we started. Why would you start me there? Interior options, right. 9-speaker audio. Heads-up display. Okay, never mind. We're gonna remove things, we're just adding things. Okay. Don't think I need anything else. And that's it. Summary straight away. Wow. Did it even have 360? Wow, okay. Wow, that was trash. Where are we here? So the lowest score was a Bath with 3. Is it better or worse than that? I think I'm going to give it the same score. Literally nothing else to say about that. Because that was really short, I think for the same video I'm going to do Cadillac as well. So let's just go in here and I think it's wow. That's huge. That's a much longer wheelbase than this one. Dang, bro. I think I will have to do the Escalade because that's all Cadillac is good for. Let's just do the giant one. It's huge. Well, I could stare at that for ages. Model, here we go. 4-wheel drive. 6.2 V8, 10-speed auto. Nice. Okay, next exterior. Exterior color. So it's like a gloss black, burgundy brown. Looks more like a matte black. What is that? blue is nice so far. I think the matte black. I think the matte black. Yeah, shall we go with these ones or these ones? Okay, good. Whoa. Oh, it's got that blacked out emblem. Nice. Whoa. Dark urban with jet black. Oh, it's just like brown. Yeah, that's nice. That's the speakers in the headrest. That's just the second row. 2 seats. Can we have 3? It'd be worth having 3. So it's got 8 seats. I was hoping so. I can't believe these are the most rear seats that look nothing different to these. Wow. Like, those are some rear seats that I wouldn't actually mind sitting in. Or with a full liner. That's fine. Nope, nope. No, I don't think we need that. Monochrome Cadillac emblems. Don't think we need those. Power retractable assist steps with LED perimeter lighting. Why not? That's gonna look great. And that's the summary straight away. Okay. Wasn't that great of an experience. It's a lovely looking beast of a car. But let's just go ahead and do our rating. Alfa Romeo. Yeah, I think we'll give it the same as that. So that's 3.5. So if you're wondering why there's now no Bugatti, because I've done Buick and gone straight to Cadillac, it's because I was really looking forward to doing Bugatti, so I went to the website, I was looking for the configurator, and there isn't one. Gutting. So yeah, I think that's just, where are we, there's 3.5 for it. It was better than Buick. I think there was a bit more that you could do to it. It's like not much better, which is why I only scored half a point more. So yeah, that's it. So next is Chevrolet. Hopefully we can do something good with that. See you on that one.